Hi everyone! In this video you will learn how to utilize offensive equipment for better assaults in COD Warzone Mobile. Well, to do that, use lethal grenades. Equip frag grenades or semtex grenades to deal damage to enemies in fortified positions or behind cover. Deploy Molotov cocktails. Use Molotov cocktails to create area denial and force enemy out of cover. Utilize flashbangs. Blind and disorient enemies with flashbangs before pushing or engaging in close quarters combat. Employ concussion grenades. Temporarily impair enemy movements and aiming abilities with concussion grenades. Throw thermite grenades. Use thermite grenades to damage enemies over time and force them to move from defensive positions. Deploy proximity mines. Place proximity mines near entry points or choke points to deter enemy advances and secure your flank. Utilize gas grenades. Force enemy out of cover or confined spaces with gas grenades, dealing damage over time. Use C4 explosives. Set traps or throw C4 explosives to eliminate groups of enemies or vehicles with a well-timed detonation. Employ decoy grenades. Create audio and radar signatures to distract enemies and lure them into traps of ambushes. Use smoke grenades. Obscure enemy vision and create cover for advancing or retreating teammates during assaults. Deploy trophy systems. Place trophy systems to destroy incoming enemy grenades and protect your team during assaults. Use tactical insertion. Place tactical insertions strategically to respond closer to objectives or front lines after eliminated. Employ sentry guns. Deploy sentry guns to provide automatic fire support and suppress enemy position during assaults. Use kill streaks strategically. Call in offensive kill streaks like precision airstrikes or cluster strikes to soften enemy defenses during assaulting. And that's how to utilize offensive equipment for better assaults in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.